You're needy today, aren't you? You won't leave me alone. Needy boy, huh? You happy today? Yeah? Today, I'm going to clean out my car, which is mostly just clothes and a few things from like going to the lake and stuff. And then I think I'm gonna wash my car, like wash the outside and vacuum and wash the outside. All that, get it all nice and cleaned up again, even the outside. Cause I park under trees and I get bird poop on my windows a lot. He's like, what are you doing? He's so cute. Really? He's like, you're a freaking weirdo.
I'm playing with your beard.
I'm playing with your beard.
He's too lazy to get up, though. He'll just let me bother him.
Right.
He's so chill right now, we could probably cut his toenails.
Probably. I ain't gonna try, though.
Jack. Hey. So we cut.
This end looks like regular squeegee. Then you go, oh, it's a broom. Broom squeegee. Okay, I got all my car stuff done. It's all clean on the inside and the outside, and it looks really nice. And I made a smoothie, and I drank my smoothie. And now I have to clean my room. It's a day of getting things done, like cleaning. Mostly, it looks like really bad, but it's mostly just I had to put my clean clothes away and then sort my dirty clothes. That's mostly all it is. There's some trash I should bring out. It's not really as bad as it seems.
So much rain! Rain! You broke the umbrella?
So it was like downpouring just a little bit ago, and I was cleaning my room. And then I remember I left my driver window down of my car. Mosquitoes. And I was like, oh my gosh, my window was down. It's starting to rain again. And let's see how wet it is. You know what? It's alright. It's alright. Yeah, I cleaned everything. I cleaned like up here, up here. I didn't touch that actually. I vacuumed all the seats. I cleaned the insides of all the windows and the mirrors. But yeah, it looks pretty nice. See that? Garbage bag, floor, back seat has some extra pop, a windbreaker. I had to take my umbrella from back there, a lighter and a lotion and a screwdriver, and then a hoodie and a water and a couple random things. Mix that lemon juice. That doesn't look like very much as last time. Not that it's not the end of the world. Just stating.
All you guys ate all of my guac last time.
It's good.
Well, make your own guac.
Strong.
Oh, I thought you were laughing like, make your own. My bangs are gonna be purple soon. Actually, they're getting blonded first, bleached first. I've never done it myself, so I'll see how it turns out. Good?
I am in New York City right now. What is the temperature outside?
It's 73 degrees in New York right now.
I am in Canada, eh?
Here's a map of 108th Street Building, 70104 Avenue NW, Edmonton, T5J, Canada.
It's a Canada
What
8.
is the longest street name in the world?
According to Wikipedia, notes listed in the Guinness World Records is the longest official Placet name in the world. The station sign at Landfair Palguingil with a pronunciation guide underneath notes the longest official one-word Placet name in Europe.
Did you hear how she read that word? It was funny.
Say 112.
Cute! I made Kayla tell Siri 112.
What day is it?
It's not blonde enough yet. Gotta do it again. Oh, my forehead burns. It burns. See it go? Oh, I missed. This one doesn't go there. Oh, but it got dyed anyways. Oh well. There. Just in case.
You get the 360 round motion with your workout. You work the behind.
You're dating a weirdo.
You're dating a weirdo.
We once again find out. Oh, hey, look at my bangs.
Writing.
The sky is so pretty. It's prettier. Nope, this side. It's pretty awesome looking. Wheelies. What do you? He rides wheelies all the time.
I haven't ridden a bike in years. I used to
Your
ride bikes all
eye,
the time.
man. Your eye.
It's fucking me.
Kayla can't handle it.
Fucks with me.
Sunset. Sunrises are way better.
Really?
Take a picture of me vlogging. Sunset. I know it's dark out, but there's a lot going on in the basement right now. My brother's packing up the rest of his stuff. Kayla and Jason are like watching a movie, or I don't know, music or something. And it's a little earlier than usual, but I'm gonna try to go to bed now so that maybe I can fall asleep on time tonight. Oh yeah, I burned my forehead so bad, you probably can't see it. I like rubbed it too much with the towel trying to get the dye off my head. It hurts. Well, not right now, but it hurts if I like touch it. If you liked anything in this video, hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to see what I do tomorrow and all the other days, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.